very clean, guys. Let me go.
See.
Finally, we are at River Jordan. River YouTube. Guys, can't wait to experience. Guys, finally, we are here. Guys. Yes, so guys, my brother Dagi, blah 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 are here. Hello.
Hello. We are here.
Doing what?
The rain is coming, my friend.
I swear.
Where are we going to cooking today? This chicken was Dada, come. This chicken was having eggs.
How are you doing, guys?
How many eggs? This is too much eggs. Too much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Let's do this.
It has a big.
Even this.
To pick it. We are wasting time.
Yeah, and the rain is coming.
Yeah. Rain is coming.
You keep on saying.
That video will be enough.
Rain is coming.
Hello,
we have
guys.
a new visitor here.
Yeah.
Yeah, Lawino. How are you, Lawino?
I'm doing good, and you?
You are good.
Yeah, I'm
Today
good.
you knew me.
You know, I'm here. I'm
try to looking there so many because this food is a lot. We can't manage to eat a lot.
So you decided to invite me?
Yeah.
I really appreciate it.
We need more people.
Don't invite anyone now. We are now.
We are cooking Jamaican food here, but we don't know.
Hello, girl. Hello. Hello, girl. How are you doing? You're focusing, and I was like, yo, have you ever met? How are you doing? Nice to meet you. I'm Lawino Faith, and you?
I'm Regina, sister to brother Dag.
Sister to brother Dag. I think and we are always at home, but I've never met you at your place.
I sometimes go to school. I'm a student.
Which grade or which form?
I'm in form 4.
Wow, that's so nice.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice.
Thank you. You too, you look cute. Hey, brother Dagi. So you don't want even to talk to me?
Hey guys, this is brother Dagi. Yeah, come this side. I was just preparing the chicken, cutting here and there, you know. But we are doing things to happen in the village. Always positive vibes, and we're having good vibes in the village, guys. Kindly please subscribe the channel, share to your friends, because brother Dagi always, when I'm here with my friends like Lawino Faith,
you need a cane, but actually, you tricked me today.
Here. Mr. Mayugno himself, guys. We are doing things to happen. Okay. I'm here.
You need a cane. You know you need a kiboko. You need a kiboko. What do you want to show me that I've never seen, brother Dags? Today you tricked me, right?
Yeah. No, you know what?
I push you better there.
Today I was having my friends because I was busy having calls from outside the country, so I was needing enough time to sit down to talk with my friends and here and there. Mayugno invited me that today we can do something like crazy in the village. We decided, you know what, man, let's come together and celebrate together. So the end of the party, because everything now it's ready, you can join us and enjoy with us, man. We love you, man.
Guys,
yeah, Lawino Faith, she's around with us here. We are trying to make things to happen, and also, yeah, we need you also to smile.
I'm already salivating.
Yes. How do you feel to be around with brother Dagi and the real nigga like Mnyamwezi himself here? How do you feel, man? Guys, this is Mnyamwezi. This is Mnyamwezi.
Woza.
You know? Woza.
Yeah,
this is Mnyamwezi, man. You know?
Yeah. Is this echo?
And the real man, like there's someone who is killing the look.
Big machine,
you know?
German
Big
machine.
German machine.
You
You know?
We have here Nali, Vini, the guy who cook in that channel, how we call it? Z. Drizzy, yule kicha anaitwaga aje? Yule anakaaga chizi yule jamaa. Let me show you someone here, Dagi. You look
That is the way we are coming one from village, you know.
Cutting onion, done. Cutting tomatoes, done. Cutting spices, done. Oh, don't cut something.
Brother Dagi.
Furaha yangu ni wewe. Nishamuona. Furaha yangu ni wewe. Nishamuona. Furaha yangu ni wewe. Nishamuona. Even you miss, I need to marry you.
Yes,
Yes.
Tell her to tell him to mention the person.
Guys, I need to marry Miss Media. Live on the camera.
You need kiboko.
Are you for real?
Yes.
Are you for real?
I need to marry you. Guys,
the time you call me at morning.
I need to propose. I need to propose. Yes, I need to marry you. Yes, I need to marry you. You know? Sindio?
But this place is so nice.
Yes.
I can stay here forever.
Yes.
I really like that.
Tumekupigia hata si ndo tumemwambia kupigie simu.
Thank you for that. I really appreciate it. Hey, and yeah.
Furaha yangu ni wewe.
I wanted to give German machine some stroke, but he has already.
I've already kujitetea.
Yeah.
Even I told them, even they're not planning to shoot. They're not planning to shoot. We just came by mistake, like.
But it's good, you know. You have apologized. Otherwise, he could lead this one 10. And say, you know, Angelia. But no, you can't beat our boss.
Let ile radio tuweke bonge la
Oh, by
muziki.
the way.
So guys, yeah.
So this is the meat. This is tomatoes.
Some tomatoes.
Yes,
And
we have already cooked the meat.
which Hello guys, so from here, okay, I'm sorry I muted the original audio because there was some music that was being played, yeah, by my Yuguno. Just know my Yuguno really loves so much music, yeah. And at this point, I was asking them if I could, close that, the food, the chicken that was being cooked with this senior, yeah, this big plate somehow. Yeah, it's a metals. As in Africa, we call it senior, in Kiswahili senior. Yeah, I don't know how you call it with your language. And they were no. If we close it, it's gonna turn.
Daddy, no matter we don't have the cash. I'm tired to live alone.
Hey.
Come close and be a more.
Hey.
When you miss me, call no phone. You wanna shake it, baby, like a Ronaldo. Go me. Do you know your designer? Hey. Go be your refiner. Baby, when for your love reply, don't be retire. What can you learn?
Hey. Guys, dancing and focusing. Hey.
You wanna bring it bad and I make you feel it, man. I don't wanna make you bad, that's why I make you that. I want to fish, make you familiar. You wanna kiss me, but
Oh, we're killing it, man. We're killing it.
love me, my woman.
Hey, love me, my woman. Love me, my woman.
Love me.
I want to know you tonight.
Baby. Good night.
Hey, guys, let me cook for you. Full chicken. Señorita.
Unajua mziki wangu mpya ni kali kuzidi zote. Sasa ile nyingine inayokuja
lakini
ni collab kubwa.
Unaona hiyo ya kwanza inatesa. Ya señorita. Hiyo.
Hii hapa.
Hiyo yenye tumenini vacation twende Dubai. Hayo unaona ni tamu. So guys, today I want to cook them this chicken, and can't show you, how I'm going to prepare it, guys. Yeah. Yeah. These people are just now salivating, plus me.
Cheki moto za dagi, ngoja uone.
Aya, sawa, munichapia katambla. Hey. Oh, hello. Uninyonyoze ya maji.
Should I?
Uninyonyoze that. Guys. This is how we do it here at the river YouTube.
River YouTube. Even there's black stones. I don't know if you've seen them.
Cheers to more life, guys. And we're really enjoying everything. The vibe is good.
This is the vibe here in the river.
We can't wait, to... guys, we are focusing here. Let's focus here. Guys, mlikuwa mnataka tupike kienyeji style like. How do you want us to prepare it?
Maiguru, ateki mafuta? Mafuta.
Mweke mafuta.
Kwa pikipiki.
Ona, nani amewasha na nili yake?
Na chumvi.
Chumvi iko hii.
Lazima ikiwa na bluetooth.
Nipike basi tukule bana, tukonja.
Nipike.
Ile sijaedit wala.
Guys,
Mimi
let me look
naeditika
for you.
video vibaya.
But
Mimi hata video zangu hizi za muziki naeditika mwenyewe.
the one that you said, the first time, will definitely use it.
Wapi?
Barabara, matanga. Never post it.
Ukitoka kule. Kwenye matanga si tuliposti. Kumbe mkoje.
Mimi nimejaribu kuangalia.
Hamjaoji. Tena nyie ndio tena mlikuwa wa kwanza.
Taki tu.
Ya mimi niliposti hiyo yote nilicombine hadi kwa matanga.
Kuja kaanze kupumua.
Tuliweka iko humo yani tutaenda nyumbani kwa wife. Moyoni.
Okay, that's good. So, to the way man stomach.
Sisi hata
Umeshika. Hapa. Na hiyo mafuta then like okay guys, from here it wanted to rain, and as you know that we are really rushing things there. You can see my rushing home, so that you can prepare things. So if we get out from here in the river, you can see my and there is our ugali, guys. Guys, let me tell you something. This ugali was so giant, it was so big, but we really enjoy it. For those who cook it, good job. I'm so stressed. I think my food is 70% is done.
70%.
Yeah. I don't know. Can we wait?
We can wait.
Okay.
Just a little.
We don't have the mogango, so we can just go.
Guys, and these people don't want to carry this thing. I don't know who are you waiting.
We can.
Are you going to carry it?
No. Oh, it's hot. We have this German machine.
Ugali, who is going to carry ugali?
For 10
Can you
minutes.
give it 10 minutes? So that if you can go.
People want to rush quick.
So guys, I have to be here to.
Let me go home. Prepare for you guys table for eating.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay.
Let me go. I prepare table for eating.
Okay.
Yeah. So guys, this is the food finally completed. As small we have got my sister.
Hope you've left. You've not left anything of yours here. Yeah. So guys, I have to remain behind. Oh, I don't know if I'll manage to run when it starts raining, guys. Let's give it approximate of 5 minutes. And it will be okay, guys. I'm so excited, It looks so yummy.
Guys, you can see how we are cooking Jamaica food. Is it
Jamaica? I've heard that they're being called Jamaica, but I think it's a giant chicken. It looks like just a giant chicken.
Jonah said that you will know in
the title. Guys, this chicken was so big. I think we can eat even 50 people. Yeah.
50 people?
Hey, this one is so big. It can't. Small pieces. I know here we are in the village. 20 people?
Yeah. Village people are eating so much.
Pardon again. Why are you having that mentality?
That's the reality.
That's the reality. Let me move our line.
Here the village people eat big ugali.
But it's
As you
good
can see.
people eat because they work hard. You know, waking up in the morning, going to the farm. You can't compare someone who is in the town, sitting there, going to office, coming back. You know, when you are at the village, guys, we are using more energy. You know, guys. Yeah. So, no, tunasubiria nini?
Oya, check. Beba hii tuende. Huyu mwingine abebe mboga. Tuende bwana. Tupika huko. Sigasi. Bwana.
So, bibini tuende tusinyeshe.
Tupoteza muda hapa.
So, guys, we are going. Bro, are you okay carrying it like that? Hope you won't fall down. Take care. Oh. Let me help you guys. Oh, pakuna kitu imebaki, mtaanze kulia.
Sasa mimi ugali.
Guys, you carry it. Okay. Guys, people are going. No. Yeah. And it's already night, guys. We are afraid of rain. Huh?
The first time.
Yeah. I'm Lawino Faith. Lawino. Lawino. Yeah.
How long have you been in YouTube?
Let me say 3 years.
3 years.
Yeah.
And how many subscribers do you have?
1.4K. 1,400. Yeah. Yeah. So guys, as I told you that today chef. No? Where's that? Guys, at this point we were already at home because you know it was raining thunder, or is it said that it was raining cats and dogs or rats and dogs? Guys, let me know in the comment section. Yeah, so yeah, people are just relaxed, you know, waiting for food, you know, and because I promised that I'm going to cook that chicken. Yeah, yeah, guys, you know, as I told you that I love cooking. Yeah, so this is now the progress. Let's see the progress, you know. Nini, big cock. This is like it was a cock. It needs to get, you know, it needs time. It needs time. So just let's give it time. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Wow. The next 5 minutes, it will just be out. Okay. So make sure you watch, like, comment, subscribe. Guys, food is ready. Kuja hapa by the way. Hebu kuja nini? Unisaidie. Gani ni? I'm not seeing on brother Dagi. Ona skiza. Hakuna hizo bakuli kubwa, but I'm going to put that soup hapa guys. Soup hapa, niweke nyama hapa. Siko poa? Okay. I'm telling them that I'm going to put meat here and soup here. Here is the ugali. Acha nigeuze ugali, si ndio?
Nyingine hapo.
Niweke wapi?
Nyingine hapo.
Bakuli. Kubwa mandogo.
Yes.
Acha hivi dogo. Fanya hivi. Umeona? Hiyo supu si nini? Kama tatosha hapa? Tatosha. Sumi shoot kidogo tafadhali. So guys, the food is now. The food is now. I think from this point, it's okay. Guys, let us now serve food. Is already cooked. Bismillah. I have to taste. Praise God. Guys, I think we are now done. Let me now. I've washed my hands. Guys, the food is now there. Bismillah. Let's go and dine. It's so raining. Rats and dogs, all cats and yes.
Hello.
German mazuna. Mayugno. You are being left out. Things are here.
Making us to tell our children their story, calling it his story. But we can never forget, because we are the makers and writers of our stories, so we must tell.
Oh, spoon.
Take away the books. Take away the
Serving spoon.
Oh man,
Yes. Boss. Wash your hands.
Let me wash
All
my
your hands are clean.
No. They are
Dirty.
small dust. Buga!
Kasmol James.
Yeah. Let me we have some puppy tissues.
Okay, guys. Actually, it's raining outside so much, and just
Leta ile kubwa. Uko na ile kubwa. Leta tu moja tu. Hizi rudisha. Yeah.
So this is around with us here. Yeah, so this is the way we are going to eat. You know, this is the soup.
Just
you know. Yeah, this is Lawino. This is my sister Regina here.
Yeah, guys.
Yes. Tell them you are enjoying, man.
I'm enjoying.
Yes.
Also,
Yeah. So this is Vidi Jonah. Yeah. The lead nigga, the lead G. Yogno himself. My brother, the last man from Jamaica. You know? Yeah, the real people they are here. You know? So guys, this video, it has been like crazy, man. You know.
Guys, I want to close my eye. Hata mimi pia inaniuma hapa. Guys, people are really enjoying. Guys, tell me how does the kuku taste, the chicken, guys? Bismillah. Guys, we are now done eating. Hey guys, it was so amazing. Can you tell me how?
Nimesikia macho kama nataka kutoa machozi. Shida ni ndimu hiyo ameleta hapo karibu.
Wapi ndimu wewe? Wapi ndimu? Wapi? Brother Dan. Bismillah. Guys, today we were just celebrating and
we enjoyed.
Thank you so much, Mayuno, for inviting me. Hey, it was so, for you guys, thank you for inviting me, because it was nice meeting you all. Yeah, may God bless you. Can't wait
Lawino
to
subscribe to Lawino channel. We are done. with our celebration Jamaican food.
Yeah.
But in the title, in Kenya is Kenyan food because we have ugali. But in the title,
guys, you know the title there in the caption. The Jamaican
food.
Hey, guys, and I know you'll be like, was the ugali over? No. It's like we just ate the quarter of ugali. So next time we are cooking something like this, we'll put small ugali.
What I came to realize is chickens.
Brother Dagi, you are not yet done.
But you see, we got even chicken 900. This one
900. This one 900.
Yeah.
Where? Hey, it's so big.
Even I was needing of 600. But
really, you bargained?
No. I used to buy 700, 800.
Ah.
Yeah.
And was it a cock or?
These are female.
Miss Media K.
I can take it there.
If you get money, right?
Wow, man, enjoy.
If you get money, that.
If so how can you okay, take me then. Yes, my sister here is full. Adamejisau Gina. Have you forgotten your name? Regina, yes. How was it? Wow.
Let's fucking go.
So guys,
Okay, let's go.
Guys, I'm really full, guys. I just feel now like sleeping, but I can't sleep because I have some videos to edit. Wife material.
Yeah, I got wife, guys. What can you tell them?
Yeah. So tell them, baby.
You know what? This is kind of the love. The love talking, we can stop. You know?
My bro has a wife.
I have a small one, but no, it don't matter. You can be my second wife.
You can add.
If she accepts that.
My wife, she don't have problem.
My no.
My wife, she don't have problem. So if you will accept me, it's the time to redeem.
It's high time. Another bonga point.
To create a child.
To redeem another bonga point. How sure are you, my Yugun? Hey, you're always there.
Are you gonna upload the video tonight?
Quick.
So guys, see you in the next video, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you're thinking about my video. For now, I'm so full and I'm so grateful for this day. Thank you so much. Bye. Yeah.